Joseph John Thomson was born on December 18, 1856 in Manchester, England. He was smart and interested in studying and teaching and spent a lot of time doing this. As for his achievements, it is enough to know that in addition to himself, 8 of his students, including his son, won the Nobel Prize. After the discovery of electrons, he was also called the father of electrons. In 1897, Thomson introduced his atomic model, the raisin cake. He thought of the atom as a sphere with a positively charged charge containing a small particle with a negatively charged charge. These negative particles were called electrons. Subsequent experiments using unstable radioactive atoms led to newer and, of course, more complete atomic models. Ernest Rutherford was one of Thomson's students who was able to improve his atomic model by conducting rigorous experiments. In the Rutherford atomic model of the nucleated atom, the positive charge of the atom is compressed at its center, and the negatively charged electrons are placed around the positive nucleus. Much of the space around the atomic nucleus was also considered empty, but this model was not without its drawbacks. For example, an electron might fall with a negative charge on the nucleus of a positively charged atom. In 1933, James Chadwick discovered neutral particles emitted from the nucleus of an atom and named it neutron. Neutrons completed the atomic model. Niels Bohr then stated in his atomic model that electrons orbit in circular paths at certain energy levels around the nucleus, called orbital circular path, and that electrons can move between these surfaces by receiving or dissipating energy. To be this amount of electron energy is quantized. In simpler terms, the amount of this energy cannot be any number, and we have certain packages of energy. For example, we cannot have 1.5 eggs and the number of eggs is quantized. This model also had its own problems until Erwin Schrödinger introduced the quantum model of the atom. According to this theory, an atom consists of a nucleus, consisting of protons and neutrons. Nucleus is located at the center of the atom and electrons orbit it in different levels of energy. The movement of electrons takes place in a specific space around the nucleus, in which the presence of electrons is more likely.